Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne and today's video is going to be on another foundation review. Today I have this VDL foundation and this is called the Perfect Lasting Foundation, and I have my shade A04. It's a lightweight liquid foundation with a natural matte finish and a buildable medium to full coverage. This is a Korean brand, so dispense 1 to 2 drops of foundation to apply over a face with a foundation brush or fingertips. So this is the foundation bottle. It's really nice. It's glass and it's very smooth to touch, and it has a pump which is really good, and you get 1 fluid ounce in this foundation. I'm gonna prime my skin, and today I'm gonna use this It Cosmetics. This is called the Awakening Serum. You can use it as your skincare or you can use it as a primer. So I do use it as a primer these days and I really like it. It's really nice on the skin. It's very hydrating and it smells amazing. I like to shake all the foundations. So I'm going to take a pump. It's a big pump and it's on the runny side, as you can see. Okay, so I'm going to, it looks darker than the bottle, to be honest, so it looks darker. Hopefully it works. It looks really orange now. I'm not sure if it's oxidizing on one side of my face, and this is going to be the sponge. It's going to be dark just a tiny bit maybe. And now I'm going to take a sponge and I'm just going to blend it. So this is what it looks like with one thin layer, and I'm gonna build it up. It looks really nice and glowy. It doesn't look like it's a matte finish. I'm gonna take a little bit more on the sponge and I'm just gonna build it up. It's building really nicely. I love that sheen. Doesn't look cakey or anything. It's melting into my skin really nicely. Personally, when I do my foundation, I just grab a brush. It's just easier for me. So this is another layer of this foundation, but I didn't apply too much. So the whole pump, it's not even finished. It's on my hand still, but it looks really, really nice. It looks so glowy. So this is what it looks like. And this is no foundation. I'm gonna take another pump, or maybe half. There you go, just half. Apply it on this side and blend it with a brush. Okay, so initially I see that the coverage is better with a brush. So the brush has more coverage. You don't need a lot of this foundation unless you want to build it up. Looks really, really nice on the skin. Okay. I do like both sides. They look the same, but has more coverage on this side. And this one, actually, I did 2 layers. I did 1 layer on this side. So I would choose the brush, and to be honest, it's easier. But some foundations, I like the Beauty Blender better. If they're thicker, if they have more of a matte finish. I don't like matte finish foundations, so I use my Beauty Blender. But for the coverage, I always go towards a brush because it gives you more coverage. But I like both sides, there's no doubt, but you just need more products with this side. The color is not a match for me, but it will be okay for the summertime. I will just keep it. And with a little bit of concealer, you know, powder and everything will make it work. So this is what it looks like. So I used about a pump and a half. I didn't use the whole thing, so you need just maybe a pump for the whole face. It's a natural finish foundation. It's not like a semi-matte finish. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to conceal, powder, do my makeup, and come back and check with you guys. And I will check with you at the end of the day as well. So this is the finished look, guys. And I really love the way the foundation looks on my face right now. It looks so flawless, but it doesn't look like it's really heavy or anything like that. It looks really natural on the skin. I love the glow that gives me at the beginning before I powdered, but I had to powder just to kind of make it last a little bit more, so when I touch my face it doesn't transfer. It looks really nice on the skin at the moment. I really like it. So it is almost what time is it now?
2:13 p.m.
Okay, so it's almost 2:15 at the moment. We'll come back at the end of the day to show you guys how it looks. Hey everyone, so I am back and it's almost 11 o'clock at night, and this is what the foundation looks like. I have not touched up whatsoever. I'm really happy with how it looks. It looks amazing. It looks so good. It looks flawless. The only thing I see is that the mascara started to flake. I'm just gonna, there you go. It doesn't look bad at all. Like, I can wear this for another maybe an hour or two. Doesn't accentuate anything on my face. It doesn't look dry or cakey. I really like it. It looks nice. It looks flawless and smooth. It's not settled into the lines or anything like that. It's not looking patchy or anything. And the weather here was awful. It was rainy and I was going in and out of the car so many times, and the wind was blowing. I really like it. It's a nice foundation. Let me know down below if you have tried it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.